My Traffic Powerline. Every marketer needs and wants real-time traffic from real people who are actively looking for an online business to earn more income. Millions of people are looking for ways to get more quality traffic to their affiliate or network marketing website, and My Traffic Powerline provides that service at a very affordable price. You get 100 actual real people clicks to your website or lead capture page for only $20 a month. And we have two awesome plans to meet anyone's marketing budget, a monthly plan and a yearly plan, which includes extra bonuses and value. For those who are committed to ongoing success, our yearly plan offers a $40 savings, 300 extra clicks, and a full year of commission qualification. High-quality traffic is so desperately needed by literally millions of people around the world that many of our members join for the traffic alone. That's how awesome our product is. And for those who like to create multiple streams of income, My Traffic Powerline has a pay plan that is the best in the industry. We have a 2x12 forced matrix paying 60 cents a person per level, no matter how they got there, with no sponsorship required to earn up to $4,915 per month. We also have 4 generations of check matching bonuses based on your rank. Sponsor 2 personals and become rookie and receive a 25% check matching bonus on your first generation. Sponsor 5 personals, you achieve the rank of pro and you unlock a 25% check matching bonus on your second generation. Sponsor 10 personals, you achieve the rank of champion and you unlock the third generation of 25% check matching bonuses. Sponsor 25 personals and you have reached the rank of legend and you unlock a 25% check matching bonus on your fourth generation. Members from countries all over the world will quickly be earning high 5-figure incomes monthly, and 6-figure monthly incomes are very realistic for those who understand the massive market for premium traffic and the phenomenal potential of our Powerline Matrix compensation plan. Of course, there are no income guarantees. Your income depends mainly on your own efforts and your ability to find people who align with our vision. But with our tools and completely automated system, that's easier than ever. It's like launching a business and then flipping on the autopilot switch. And the leads that come in from your own efforts will all go into your downline. But that's just the beginning. My Traffic Powerline employs a secret weapon of sorts. You see, our system finds pre-enrollees daily for all of our members at an accelerated pace. And some of those people can be placed in your downline once you activate your monthly or annual membership plan. Yes, timing does matter. And we all know it because most of us have experienced being in the right place at the right time at least once in our lives. Or we know someone who has made a fortune by taking action with a company that has a clear vision and massive global potential. My Traffic Powerline is that company. We know this, and we know that some of our members will embrace MTP and join us with their own passion and vision to earn a fortune. And if you're not sure yet if what we offer is what you're looking for, we invite you to explore our website and ask any questions you like. We strive to be a company that sets a new bar for transparency and excellence in customer service. If you understand the awesome value of what we're offering, we would like to be the first to welcome you to My Traffic Powerline. Simply get back to the person who shared this link with you to start receiving your traffic and to be positioned in our incredible Powerline for potentially massive income.